on.
Triple foam polish.
Matt, save me.
Ooh. Oh.
Ooh, triple foam.
You want the
Superwash.
$5?
No dryer.
$9.
That's
the works. Deluxe.
Alright, stand up for a second.
The green
I gotta get my wallet in my pocket. It's killing.
Chris is about to waste $10.
Just measuring how long your car is. This is gonna be crazy. Oh man. This is intense.
It's like the thing off of
Get Chris.
I'm scared.
I'm pretty intimidated by this.
I've got a
I think I need more batteries soon. Dude, what's it spraying out? Here goes water. Here's mist.
See, that doesn't seem bad.
No, just wait.
Oh my god, dude.
You're gonna get killed.
No, that's underneath the car.
That's the tires.
Okay.
I'm good.
Well, the good part about this is you can jump
Dude,
out.
if that was on the top.
That doesn't look that bad.
That sounds pretty.
That sounds pretty
Like
intense.
fun.
Look at that.
Is there a softer?
Can I get the people mode? That was like, what, 2.5 minutes?
Drive forward.
3 minutes.
That was like not even soap. It was just like, I'm
Get
gonna
goggles.
spray down your car super hard.
What's in here?
They were so back.
Yeah, that was like
That
totally
looks like
no.
fun, Chris.
You're gonna die.
That was like you're gonna die.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it's on the camera. Go, Chris, go. Oh my god.
Like a giant bug and try and kill it.
Oh my god.
God, Chris disappeared. Chris disappeared. He disappeared. He disappeared. Oh my god. Oh my god. Chris is crazy. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. Don't break it. One more. Break it. Oh my god. That's it. You're good.
Not
Not yet.
Are you sure?
Not done yet? You look sweat.
My camera looks wet. It's off? No way.
He's done.
He's done. Chris, dude, you're red. Dude, I can see you.
Oh my god.
Dude, look how red you are.
That's awesome.
Dude, come over here. Come over here in the light. Come here.
Turn around.
Oh my god.
That hurts so bad.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Red marks all over.
Dude, do you know how bad that hurt? Do you have any idea? That was like getting hit by a grenade. Oh, that was horrible. I felt like I was getting shot by bullets.
It's like you got attacked by
Dude, it looks like you have
a
like 10 stretch marks, like all down your back.
Oh, that's horrible.
You look like you got attacked by a lion or something.
Does that hurt?
No? It just stings a little bit now.
How about now? You like ran off.
Dude, it was so, like, at first, I was like, wow, this is really cold, and I was like, wait a second, that's not water. And then,
No, look at this.
and then
Right there.
after it started spraying this chemical all over me, I was like,
You probably have hives.
I was like, here come the jets. Oh, it's just on the wheels on jets.
You may want to
prob-
rinse this.
You probably have hives, dude. It's chemical.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah,
That's what it looks like. It looks like you got hives.
No, it's probably just
No,
how
look at
hard
his
it's
other
sprayed,
arm.
though.
His
But
arm.
it's sprayed really
No,
hard.
look.
He's getting hives.
Car wash technique.
Alright, well, let's